Nope.
Come on, you can do it.
Not doing it. Not doing it.
Hey, come on.
You gotta go in at an angle. You gotta get it at an angle. Hit it at an angle.
Can't get in that shit.
It says online that it's good for 300 pounds. That it can withstand 300 pounds.
Who the fuck is 300 pounds and can fit in that shit?
I'm not trying to say that you're 300 pounds, Nick.
I am.
Oh, okay. Well, you said it anyways. So, are you gonna sit in the seat or what?
No. I won't fit in that.
You'll fit.
I'll fit in that.
Which one? Nick, this one is the 450 and up rated. It's not rated for 300.
Oh, that's perfect. That's what I need.
No, it's too big.
I drive a boat. It's gotta be a big seat. What is this, like the tuner school videos or something?
Yeah.
Justin, that's dope. He's gonna put all this shit on the internet.
It's gonna be on the interwebs.
Oh, I know.
And then Manuel's gonna finally be able to tune cars.
He's out here learned everything he knows from following us. All right, go see if that LED light comes on.
What are you doing? Okay.
Time you never jump.
You know, the first time I saw you jump, it was in that race against Justin.
We got 2 steps.
It was trying.
A tire and the track. I think we'll be good. Money.
On.
Now it is.
Hey. That's 38 seconds.
Shit.
Probably balls, but we'll.
They're his tires, so I don't care.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Oh, these things can last a long time.
That sounded terrible. Yeah.
I don't like it.
You get a resonator added in, it'll get rid of it.
Are they another track night?
Another track night.
All right, hey, what's up, guys?
Go ahead and say something.
Oh, that's it?
That's all I got.
That's all. Anyways, we got the rental again. It's only what, been 2 weeks and we still have it. It's kind of weird. Anyways,
That is weird.
taking the rental back. Pretty much same thing is done. We just have like a 10-pound lighter seat in it, and we got the 2-step hooked up. Anything else?
No, that's it.
So 2-step and a lighter seat. What's up? Is it a video or a photo? Both.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it, Nick?
Chicken sandwich from the pocket.
How did you even fit that, dude? In your pants? Yeah! You some Napoleon Dynamite shorts or what?
Oh yeah.
You got some tater tots in there too? No? Oh, okay. I'm just asking.
One day.
One day? Yeah. What?
Oh, this is just great.
How do you think this is gonna go?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
It's only a half moon.
Only half moon tonight. So only half the chances of. No.
Just now starting to feel better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess that it's 17. Let's see.
Damn, yours takes forever. Oh, look at that.
I guess 17.
1874.
I guess 17 off my feelers.
Woo!
Let's see if we can get it. What lane do we gotta get in to go now? The far lane? Right here.
That Mustang.
You think they're going back?
They're going right now.
Hey, Ralphie.
Hey, look at me. I wish. We got Mopar Fest tomorrow. That's pretty bad. 9.7. That's what's up.
That's pretty good.
142. So what are the changes we're making to the car?
Fold these babies.
Folding the mirrors in. What up? Go, bro. There you go. Oh, it beat my time. Woo. Look at that smile.
Beat Russell's time on your second pass.
Let's see. 883, 125. He got a 156, 60 foot. So got a better 60.
Well, that was literally dead on when he went faster.
Yeah.
That was his difference. Your mile per hour was down.
Our racing action from this evening.
Oh god.
This is some Final Destination shit.
Two people's crowd. Oh man. Oh,
Oh god. It's hungry.
She wants some right now.
And we say bye-bye.